In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove custom emojis on Slack. Custom emojis can be fun, but sometimes it's necessary to clean up your Slack environment, especially if it's getting a bit cluttered or if certain emojis are no longer relevant to your team. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, ensure you're logged into your Slack account and that you have the necessary permissions to manage custom emojis. Typically, only workspace owners and administrators can delete these emojis, so if you're not, you might need to reach out to the appropriate person in your organization to follow these steps. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Slack workspace where the custom emojis are located. Now, look at the top left corner of your Slack interface and find the workspace name, or the Slack team name. Click on this to open a drop-down menu. From here, select the administration option, which will reveal further choices. Click on Customize Workspace Name. This option takes you to the Customize Your Workspace page. It's here you can manage all custom emojis, among other features. On the Customize Your Workspace page, you'll see a tab dedicated to emojis. If it's not already selected, click on it. You should now see a complete list of all custom emojis that have been added to your workspace. To make it easier, this list is usually in alphabetical order. Use the search bar if you are looking for a specific emoji, especially if your workspace has a large collection. Next, when you find the emoji you wish to remove, look to the right side of its line. There should be a small Delete button next to each emoji. Click on the Delete button to initiate the removal process. A confirmation prompt will usually appear to ensure you really want to delete the emoji. Confirm this action by clicking Delete again in the prompt. This step is crucial to avoid accidentally removing an emoji you meant to keep. Once confirmed, Slack will immediately remove the emoji from your workspace, and it will no longer be accessible or usable by any members. Repeat this process for any additional emojis you'd like to remove. It's a good practice to periodically review your custom emojis and declutter them as necessary, ensuring only relevant and useful emojis are maintained for streamlined communication and a professional appearance in your workspace. Remember, a tidy emoji list not only reflects well on your workspace, but also makes it easier for team members to find and use emojis that genuinely enhance communication. If you have any questions or encounter issues during this process, don't hesitate to check Slack's help documentation or reach out to their support team for further guidance. Thank you for watching, and good luck keeping your Slack workspace organized and efficient.